What's up guys? So for today's video, abs workout tayo. Okay, target natin, full abs, tsaka lower abs. So 5 exercise, kasabay natin si boss. Okay, tara, game. So first workout natin, planks with knee to chest tayo, 15 times. So ganito, sabay, yan, palitan. 1, 2, 15 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, 15. Next natin, sit down tayo. Sit down. Seated, knee to chest tayo, 15. So, pag ganito, okay? So, ganito, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Sabay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, next, higa. Bicycle crunch. 15 counts. So, una muna tayo sa kaliwa. Okay? Kaliwa. 15 counts. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 15 dead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Next, planks. Elbow plank. Then side fall. Okay, like this. Okay, position. Okay, elbow plank. Then side fall. Start muna sa right. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, last. Higa ulit. Leg raises. 15 times para sa lower abs. Hands sa may side. Straight your legs. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Squeeze your abs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So yun guys, 5 exercise. Rest kayo ng 1 minute. After 1 minute, gawa kayo ulit ng 1 more round or 2 more rounds. So thank you for watching and thank you. Bye-bye.